Hey everyone, welcome to the newest iHelp video. Today, I was needing some energy for a test I have today. So, I opened this app called Breathwrk. So, let's open it up and I'm going to show you how to use it. So, it looks really cool. The app icon looks like a few breaths on a monochrome background. So now, we can go into the home screen with we're on. You can see that our lineup, breathing 101, build stamina, everything like that. So it looks like they have some breathe specialists, as they call them. So we can do one together. So I'm going to go to the Discover, and I'm going to do Energize, because I need some energy. Um, so there's Overview, which tells you like all the things that you're going to do. Recommended use, and then Science. Shows you how this is going to work for you. Let's continue to start the breathe. And you can make it longer, and I'm level 1, so let's start it. In, and I think you guys get the gist. It just goes like this, and you can press I'm done. Let's do another one to show you guys some other things. Looks like they have some recommended. Let's choose one of them. Let's do Focus, Overview, Recommended Use, and Science again. Let's start. And that's pretty much it. And then we can close this. Yeah, I really like these ones, and looks like there's a Euphoria off, but I don't actually have premium, so we can't do that. And there's a me section. Of course, all of this is at the bottom. So I have a 1 day streak, amazing. My top streak is 1, and my minutes are 0. I'm on level 1, so tell me if you guys, in the comments down below, tell me if you guys pass me at level 1. And you can see how many breaths I've done. Test your max inhale. Let's start this. And you can stop whenever you want. And it says always stop when you feel lightheaded. And you can always test your breath hold too. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. We can always reset the personal best. I'm gonna reset it. um, and yes, those are the amazing features of the Breathwrk app. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you found this video helpful or if you learned something new about this app. So see you in the next iHelp video, or on one of our other channels, RHS, which will be linked in the description down below. See you in the next iHelp video. Bye.